Hey everyone, it's Yoslyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a Brandy Melville unboxing. I ordered a bunch of things and this time I actually didn't open the box. So it's me my first time seeing the items as well. Yeah, I have a huge Brandy Melville unboxing. So if you guys want to see everything that I got, then just keep on watching. All my other hauls, I already opened the box and looked at everything and worn some of the items. But this time I didn't open the box. So this is me my first time seeing everything. And I ordered 9 tops. So this is going to be a lot of things. I literally decided to film this video right away because I knew if I put it off, I'd just open the box and wear the clothes. So that's why today I didn't do that. They wrapped it all really tightly. I don't know how they wrapped it all in there because it's supposed to be 9 things. But they gave me these little postal, these little cards. I've seen people get these. I think I got these one time in the past, but honestly, I don't know what to do with them because it's just random photos of the clothing. Just random photos. I don't know, but they gave this. So it's like a stack of all the cards. Okay, onto the clothing. Oh, wait, I got this too. Oh, this has stickers inside. You know what else I've seen recently though? They give little bows. I don't know. I've seen people get bows in their packages and I have not gotten any, and I order from Brandy pretty frequently, but I haven't gotten any bows. So they close it with a little pin like this, and it comes in this little pouch, and I think it's full of pins and stickers. It has a lot in here. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. Honestly, I like the little bags that they give because it has a lot of cool things. The stickers, the usual stickers. They gave me doubles like they usually do. I like this one. This one's kind of cute. This one. The Brandy sticker. I have a lot of these ones. Honestly, I need to make a little tub of them because I have so many stickers from them. Because they send a bunch every time. There's so many. And the pins. These are the pins that I got, as you guys can see. So now onto the package. No way, they sent me more cards. What the heck? I don't know what these cards are meant for. And they're the exact same ones. Okay, I don't know what that's supposed to be, but here are all the tops I ordered. They're so cute. Honestly, it makes sense that they were able to wrap them all together because they're not they're just thin material. This was the top I was most excited for. This top is so cute. I literally love it so much. This top I wore, I think I got this one in my last Brandy haul. And then this top is so cute. I love it so much. It has little polka dots. I actually don't have any tops with this design, the little button design. This is my first one. So I'm gonna see if I like how it fits. I like buying multiple tops in the same design, just different colors. So if I like this one, then I'll definitely be getting more. But it's just the polka dots. And then this is the back of it. It looks dark blue. I thought it was black, but now that I see it, no, I think it is black. It kind of looks dark blue in person though. But I really like this little lining here. So there's that. Next up, I got, oh my gosh, wait, I was I did not order this. This looks like my other one. I did not know it was pink. Wait, that's actually really cute. I thought it was beige. This looks like my other one that I have, but this one has a v-neck. Wait, okay, I did not know that I ordered this one. I literally thought it was a different color. That's why when I saw it, I thought they sent me the wrong thing. Because actually, I have had that happen to me one time, a long time ago. They sent me the wrong thing. So I thought that happened right now. But no, I did order this. And it's a pink top. It's a v-neck. This is so cute. I'm honestly loving the looser fit tops from Brandy. I don't know, I just feel they're a lot more casual. So this one I really like. And then this is the back of it. I'm also loving the color light pink right now. It's one of my favorite colors to wear, so I like that. Okay, then I got this one. Honestly, you guys, I kind of forgot what I ordered. Okay, this, I know what this is. I have this top. This is the top that I thought that one was. I have this top in pink and dark blue, and I got it in black. I feel this would look cute with leggings, just simple leggings. They also shipped this really fast. I think it took a week and a half. So I like these tops because you can just throw them on and they look nice every time. So I got it in black. But I also got this top. Here's this one. Wait, this one's really cute. Okay, you can't really see, but it has a bow here. For some reason, it's going in. Okay, so this one, honestly, it kind of reminds me of the first top a little bit. but it is different. So this one's a black tank top. Also, these are like mainly for summer because I did get these for summertime, but this one's kind of scrunched up weird, but basically it has a scrunch here, and then it has the same lining on the top, and it has a cute little bow in the middle, and it's just a black top. Personally, I like the way the color black looks on me, so that's why I ordered a lot of the color black. Okay guys, that's 5 tops. That's 4 tops. Okay, we still have more. This top I was kind of iffy on getting it because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like how it looked on me, but I got it anyways because there's this one girl I watch on TikTok and she was wearing it and it looked really nice on her, so I decided to get it. So that's why I got this one. I don't know, it just looked really like chic and like clean. It looks really wrinkled right now, so it doesn't. But this is the back of it. So you guys can see, you can tighten it. I feel like this is just a really nice like staple piece, and I can just style it easily, hopefully. Like hopefully it'll look good with the jeans. But yeah, that's why I got this one. I just felt like it looks really clean. So, clean girl aesthetic right now. Then I got this one. This is a lot more pink than I thought it was gonna be. It's like a bubblegum pink. Like you guys, I don't know if you can tell the difference, but I got this pink tube top. I wanted this one for a while, but I just kept putting it off because I was like, I don't really need it. But this time I did get it. It's shorter than I thought it was gonna be, but I still like it. I have a dark blue tube top from them, but it's like really long. But this one's still nice. I like their tube tops because they are like pretty good quality. It's like double lined too, so it's not like thin material. It looks really short, but I don't think it's that short because I'm holding it up to myself. It's like to my belly button, so it shouldn't be that short. But yeah, this one's just a plain pink tube top. Okay, I have 2 more shirts to show you guys. So this one, oh, this one's cute. This one I actually saw, and I've never seen like this style of top on the website, so that's why I got it. Oh, it's actually like kind of stretchy. So this one, I liked it because it's a straight across top, but it has these straps. That's why I liked it, because it kind of looked like a tube top, but it's not, because it has like the little straps attached to it. But on the website, it looked really cute, so hopefully I like this. But it's just a black top. Looks like this. I'm not realizing that it's kind of cropped. I honestly don't wear crop tops that much anymore, but these 2 are cropped. But I think it should be fine, because sometimes it does like look good with outfits, but I'm just not used to wearing crop tops as often. But I still really like it, so there's that one. And then the last one that I got is right here. So see you guys, I got a lot of tops because I don't know, I just felt like I needed to get some more tops for the summertime. And just like casual top. I could also wear these in the winter just by throwing on a little sweater. But this one is like the black top. Oh, this one's like the black top that I got, but it's in gray. I love these tops. I think I could have them in every color and still not be tired of them. I know they have a red one, but I don't know if I want to get the red one because I don't wear red that often. But maybe in the future I might get it because I do really like these tops. But yeah, I got this one. I really like this type of gray, like the gray where you can see the little lines on it. For some reason, I really like it, so. I don't know what happened to my chair. It's like low-key broken now. But anyway, so those are all the tops that I got. As you guys can see, it's a lot of different tops. Yeah, so that's my Brandy haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I was really excited to show you guys these like items when they're still in the box, like brand new, my first time seeing them, because I usually always open the box. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video and all the things that I got. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!